drift car on Midnight Club LA. You're going to want to go to Customize Vehicle, Performance Shop, upgrade all of them. Not all of them. Leave the last 4 but not upgraded. Go to the exterior and interior. You're going to want to like make it look as lower as possible. Doesn't matter which one you put on those. You could put the wide body, but it doesn't really look that great. You can put the BBS rims, those look the best, in my opinion. Gonna go to dimensions, put 18s. Drop it all the way. You can put these all the way up. You want to put a gauge, any front seats that you want. I always put the max on everything. I'm doing this on my iPhone, so it's kind of hard to control. On the spoilers, you're going to want to put the last one down, the 404. Then the tail lights, you can put any one you want. That one looks the best in my opinion. Any exhaust you want. Put the side skirts all the way down, and you're basically done. You can do like any of your paint jobs that you want. Matte black looks pretty nice on these. Yeah, there's your drift car. It's a Nissan 240 SX.